Why JavaScript is a good choice for beginners. JavaScript is the de facto language used in web development, and for good reasons. It is a versatile language, easy to start with, and popular. As a result, you can build all types of applications. For instance, mobile, smartwatch, and web applications. Start coding in JavaScript by only using your browser. Quickly and easily find any types of tutorials. Versatility. One of the most powerful features of JavaScript is its versatility. With JavaScript, you can go beyond web applications. If you want to build servers, you can do so. If you're going to develop games, you can do that too. You get the idea. Moreover, you can build an application from start to finish by only using one programming language. JavaScript allows you to create the back-end and front-end to develop complete applications. Therefore, by picking this language, you do not limit yourself to only one area. For instance, if you have a web application and you want to build a mobile application as well, you can do that with React Native. JavaScript is one of the most versatile programming languages. Popular for several already. JavaScript in the first place is of the most popular programming languages. I have taken Figure 1 from the Stack Overflow 2020 survey. You can see that JavaScript is still the most popular programming language again. From the same source, Figure 2 shows that JavaScript is the second most wanted language as well. However, what does that mean to you? First of all, it means there are a plethora of job opportunities if you know JavaScript. That applies globally, and not only to specific countries. Secondly, there are a lot of communities and tutorials online. Whatever you want to learn, the chances are that someone already explained the concept. Also, if you want to join a community, there are lots of them. Thirdly, JavaScript is not going away soon. Even if it is, we have so much legacy code that there will be lots of jobs to maintain that code. Therefore, by learning JavaScript, you open yourself to a lot of job opportunities. Whether you go with Node, JS, React, or Vue, there will always be a job for you. Easy to start with. Starting with JavaScript only requires a browser. Just open the developer tools, and you can write JavaScript code. No matter how much experience you will have in the future, there will be times when you will write code in the console to test, debug your code. Of course, that is not feasible in the long run, and you are not likely to build applications in the developer tools. However, it is very handy to test and debug your code. What road to take? Now that you know why JavaScript is a good programming language to start with, let us see what path you could take. My advice is to pick either back-end or front-end. Learning to become back-end and front-end is challenging on its own, let alone trying to learn both at the same time. You cannot go wrong with either. Let us look again at the Stack Overflow survey. Looking at the survey in Figure 3, we can see that JavaScript frameworks are leading the race. jQuery, React, Angular, Express, Vue, and Gatsby are all JavaScript frameworks. Moreover, looking at Figure 4, we can see that JavaScript, Node.js, is still leading the charts. If you are not familiar with Node.js, it is a web framework that allows us to build servers. Therefore, you can see that JavaScript is a popular technology, and you cannot go wrong by working with it. Where to get started? One of the best resources to get started with JavaScript is FreeCodeCamp. They have resources on vanilla JavaScript, algorithms and data structures with JavaScript, React, and Node.js. In other words, they cover the full spectrum of the JavaScript full-stack development. Besides that, you can complement your learning with their YouTube channel. FreeCodeCamp has a YouTube channel where they post all sorts of free tutorials. They are recorded by professional developers as well. I consider FreeCodeCamp the best place to start for someone that wants to learn how to code. They have a well-structured curriculum, professionals develop the curriculum, and they have a very supportive community. If you still want more resources, another useful and excellent website is the Odin Project. In a similar vein, it has a curriculum that takes you through vanilla JavaScript, Node.js, React, Vue, and Angular. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing to our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, likes, and add comments on this video.
Thanks for watching.
A lot.
For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.